Hi everyone, I'm Ingjen. As software engineers, Jay and I build advanced systems. But growing up in Malaysia, we realized that the AI revolution is leaving our grassroots behind.
Whether it's a rural midwife triaging an emergency offline, a farmer diagnosing crop disease, or a small business tracking daily debt, across Southeast Asia, 700 million people lack tools built for their reality. They are blocked by dead zones, low-end hardware, language barriers, and zero trust in generic chatbots. Mainstream AI can't reach them, so we built Bina. Bina isn't a chatbot, it's an offline ecosystem that connects verified domain experts directly to the communities that need them. It starts in our web studio, a rural clinic uploads their trials protocol, and Bina instantly converts it into a tiny localized app recipe by using Gemini API. This recipe runs entirely on the user's phone, powered by Gemma for LiteRT. It assembles into a safe, personalized pocket agent, zero cloud servers. And the best part, these agents spread phone to phone via a simple QR scan, an entire village empowered without a single drop of internet.
I'm Jing Yan. Let's say an architect at the Ministry of Agriculture uploads this crop management handbook. Bina instantly analyzes the document for useful knowledge, and it generates a recipe blueprint. It drafts out a whole system prompt with a robust safety guideline, so the AI will never do anything misleading or harmful. The architect can still customize the generated screens and prompts. Let's say we change the home screen to a grid-first layout, as the farmers need to use it quickly and easily on the field. Gemma can translate the UI into many regional languages like Malay, so the generated output can be used fully offline. Let's push it to the recipe hub now, and let's see how it works on a real Android device. This farmer's Android phone has zero internet now. He opens his Bina pocket. Bina renders the recipe offline in real time. He speaks local Malay and snaps a photo. Our multimodal Gemma for E2B runs on LiteRT and diagnoses the disease entirely on the edge. And because Bina isn't a chatbot, he can also interact with deterministic tools like sliders and selections to log his soil pH and more. Needing supplies? The recipe can also geolocate nearby shops, bridging the gap between AI advice and real-world offline logistics, especially useful in times of emergencies. To share this tool, our farmer flashes a QR code, transferring the app over Bluetooth in seconds. Finally, he pins it to his home screen. So one scan empowers a whole community.
With Bina, the community we grew up around aren't just joining the AI revolution. They are finally owning it.